Hello world, welcome to Yuki's Kitchen. Today I'm gonna introduce oyako-don and udon. Let's start cooking. At first, make dashi soup stock. Put 1 liter of the water in the pot and heat it. This is a cup for soup stock. It's called kombu. Wipe the cup and then put it in the pot. Next, add dried bonito flakes. Kelp and bonito are indispensable for Japanese dishes. You can use powdered soup stock. I often use these shimaya dashinomoto. Take out the kelps before the water boils. Take the lime like this. I always filter broth like this. It's done, kanse! Let's make oyako-don. Oyako-don is a bowl of the rice with chicken and egg. Oya means parents. Ko means kiss. Don means bowl. Oyako-don means parents and kids bowl. Cut the onions. Add 200 milliliters of soup stock and add onions. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar. Add 3 tablespoons of mirin. It is sweetened sake. Add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. I got Okinawan chicken tart 100 gram, 125 yen. Cut the chicken into bite-sized pieces. Put the chicken and cover it. After boiling for 7 minutes on medium heat, put 2 beaten eggs. Don't mix too much. Sprinkle the egg from above. Finally, put it on top of the rice. Decorate Japanese honey word. It's done, kanse! Let's make a soup. Put the soup stock in a pot. Add 3 tablespoons of mirin. And then add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Check the taste. It's done, kanse! Let's boil the frozen udon noodles. You can get frozen udon for about $2. Japanese frozen udon is cheap and so good. You should try. Boil the udon noodles in the boiling water. Drain the hot water and serve it. Put the beer kamaboko fish paste. Put the green onion made by Haruichi-san. Sparkling the soup and then it's done. Kanse! Let's eat! Itadakimasu! When eating noodles, Japanese people make slurping sounds. By slurping, some air gets into your mouth at the same time, and more smells spread out. Actually, I'm from Okinawa. Okinawa was under the control of the US. so Okinawan people don't slurp noodles. Japan has so many cute foods like this. Such a mascot is called Yuru Kyara. Yuru means loose. Kyara comes from the character and means mascot. Yuru Kyara heals the hearts of Japanese. This channel shows you real Japanese home cooking, and I would like to introduce Japanese sauce mix, seasoning, and frozen food. Furthermore, I will also introduce Japanese food culture and custom. If you enjoy this video, just hit like and subscribe. ごちそうさまでした。Thanks for watching. ありがとう。バイバイ。